What's up guys, my name is Joe and today we're going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Fold, the new foldable or unfoldable Samsung Galaxy device that Samsung unveiled at their Unpacked event. That's a lot of uns to start a video with. Anyway, 3 things you need to know before you go out and buy it. You need to just be aware of these things. So, number 1, the last thing they told about this product was the price, and it is $1,980. Now let that sink in. That's tremendous amounts of money for any kind of smartphone or even a tablet. Now they say that this is a smartphone and a tablet all in one. It works seamlessly. I want to see it in person. Let's wait a couple of years. Let's see where this technology develops, how it looks like in person. I mean, just generally, I'm really curious on this. And $1,980 is a lot of money. I don't think people will be lining up in front of Samsung stores to get this. Reviewers, probably. Other, not so much. The second thing you need to know that this phone has not 1, but 2 batteries. Since it's an unfoldable phone, both parts of the phone get a battery. It's well over 4,000 milliamps of battery, so it should get you a lot of time, but thinking that this is actually 2 screens, one on the front and one big inside, well, I don't know about the battery life. I think it's gonna be awesome, but we'll have to see. Number 3, and very important thing, now Samsung unveiled their S10 device as well, which has a fingerprint sensor embedded under the screen. This phone does not have that. This phone has a fingerprint scanner on the side in the power button. So you won't be getting the newest features from this phone. It's the unfoldable screen is the new feature. Anyway, if you want the latest and greatest technology, go with the S10 model. This is a very new thing. It looks sexy, it looks awesome. Even though I don't like the front of the phone, I think the screen looks ridiculous. It looks like something from back in 2007 or 2008. Anyway, we'll see what the people actually react to this phone. Anyway, guys, I wonder what you guys think. Hit me down in the comment sections below. And until my next video, be sure to follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. If you want, just drop $1 on my Patreon. And until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.